Remember, I have 93 MPs who are my friends in Somalia. And I want to tell you frankly, I am the one who filled their forms for asylum in Britain. The next cause is a vote of no confidence.
موشنكي كلا سوقات بحقيقي إنه كيرنيو وأكو صحيح وأنا رأيك محكمة الدستور قاعد حلبان نبينا إنا أنتو سوق هذا سكاشن الصدق حلبان هرتيس أي كو صحيحان وحلبان كي صبر بوزغري موشنكا ويرادا وصحيح.
What you'd say is a solution that benefits both countries and ensures our security within the region.
If we remove Farimijio, yes.
That is where the solution lies.
That's one of the solutions. And I want to speak frankly. Me, I am not I told you I'm not a diplomat. I speak frankly.
Yes.
Farimijio is a disgrace to this region. Therefore, the only thing, you remember I have 93 MPs who are my friends in Somalia. And I want to tell you frankly, I am the one who filled their forms for asylum in Britain. They are there in that parliament.
Okay.
If Farimijio does not come to table, the next cause is a vote of no confidence. I need 120.
So you'll be looking for those signatures.
It's not Kenya doing it. We are going to do it.
You'll be looking for those signatures.
No, I don't need signatures. They have already, there's a motion in parliament challenging Mr. Farimijio.
فرماجنا دتك الوان عين صومالنا وان علي صار الله ما إن شاء الله ودي الليلة.